Steve Hill here with Midnight Trader with another earnings update for you. Day Tuesday, October the 20th. After the market, we have Yahoo reporting results. In this session, we're going to have a look at what's happened historically with Yahoo as far as earnings are concerned and what the after-hours reaction has been and the follow-through into the next trading day. Our first slide here is from our earnings notebook, and it shows that Yahoo has narrowed or reversed its after-hours in reaction in 4 of the last 5 quarters. And what that means is whatever the after-hours reaction is following the earnings, whether it's up or down, the next day it has actually narrowed that or pulled back in the opposite direction. In fact, in the longer-term trend, we're looking at 12 narrowing moves between the sessions and 9 wider-day moves after these earnings announcements. On our next slide, we're going to have a look at a little more in-depth detail. The after-hours decline in 9 of the last 21 earnings-driven events is what we've seen happen, and 5 times, 56% of the time, this has been followed with a more aggressive decline in the next day's regular session. But on the plus side, longs, again, you should be wary of Yahoo. It has recorded in 12 out of 21 quarters tracked. We've seen the move to the upside reversed or narrowed the next trading day. So in fact, with the most recent history on Yahoo, as you can see on this next screen coming up, if you have a look at the last 4 quarters here, the quarter back in July, the after-hours reaction following the earnings was to the downside by 2.8%, but it reversed it the next trading day and to be up 3.7%. The quarter prior to that in April, again we were up 5.7% in after hours, but it gave most of that back the next trading day. So again, that was a narrowing move. The one move in the last 4 quarters here that was an actually expanding move was the one back in January of this year. Yahoo was up 4.5% in the after hours and added an extra 3.4% in the next trading day, so that's a widening move. But prior to that, the quarter back in October of 2008, we were looking at 7.7% up in the after hours, only to find it gave back 5+% of that the next trading day. The quarter before that I don't have on the chart here, but that was another narrow or reversing move. So Yahoo, looking at 4 out of the last 5 events, in fact, it has narrowed or it's reversed what it does in the after hours following the earnings. So just beware as the earnings are coming out tonight on Yahoo. Whatever it does in the after hours, there does seem to be a pretty strong trend at the moment to giving that back, at least some of it, or even reversing it into the next trading day. We look forward to seeing you in another one of the events. We're right in the middle of earnings season at the moment, so there are plenty of us to look at. There's a lot of earnings out there. We tend to focus on the ones that show a significant trend in the way they react. We look forward to seeing you again.